Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm gonna show what I eat in a day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are very simple recipes and you can do it within 15 minutes. Let's begin. First easy recipe is this oats porridge. To make this recipe, I'm taking 2 spoons of oats in a saucepan, lightly stirring it for few seconds. Now add 3/4 glass of milk. Add soya milk or coconut milk to make it vegan. For flavor, I'm adding 1 pod of cardamom. Adding 2 spoons of honey and stirring it. Oats porridge can be made within 5 minutes. Adding handful of raisins. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the gas once porridge starts thickening. Transfer porridge to a bowl and enjoy with your favorite fruits and nuts. Second recipe I am showing today for lunch is peas pulao. I am directly making this in a cooker. Heating the cooker and adding 3 spoons of oil. I am using 1 big onion, 2 garlic pods, 2 chilies and handful of coriander leaves, all chopped and ready. Adding chopped garlic and chilies, frying it till brown. Add half spoon of cumin seeds. Add sliced onions. Fry it till it turns to transparent. You can add spices like cardamom and star anise to give extra flavor. Adding 2 spoons of salt for taste. Once the spice mixture is ready, I am adding half bowl of tender peas. Now it's the time to add rice. Take 1 glass full of washed basmati rice. Add to spice mixture, slightly mix it. Also adding the coriander leaves. Lastly, adding 1.5 glass of warm water. Proportion I am using here is 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water and 2 whistles. Similarly, you can use any other vegetables and make pulao in 15 minutes. Peas pulao is ready. I enjoyed this dish with yogurt and pickle. Third and the last recipe I am showing today is this couscous upma. Couscous is something similar to dalia and it is made up of wheat. To make this, I am taking half portion of couscous into a bowl, adding double the portion of hot water. Couscous absorbs the water and doubles in size. I am using chopped red and yellow bell pepper and methi leaves. Heating up the fry pan and adding 1.5 spoons of oil. Next thing is to add basic spices. Half spoon of cumin seeds. Pinch of asafoetida. Pinch of coriander powder. Pinch of turmeric. Pinch of garam masala powder. Add all chopped vegetables. Fry it for 5 minutes so the vegetables become tender. Add 1 spoon of salt to taste. Also add pepper powder if you want extra spice. Now you can see couscous is absorbed all the water. Add this couscous to the spice mixture. Mix it and cook it for few minutes so the spices are evenly distributed. Lastly, squeeze some portion of lemon around 1 spoon. This couscous upma is very easy to make and ready within 10 minutes. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe.